Hey guys, what's up? Today we're here with Zach.
So,
And today we are doing the review on the Pillsbury Mini Blueberry Muffs. They're good. Let's get opening. Alright guys, here we have it. As you see a close-up on that. Now we opened it. Close-up on that. I'm gonna grab a muff.
as well am I.
As well am I. And we're gonna get in the camera and eat it. Whoa.
We're trying to lock in the flavor. See, when you grab them first out of the box, it kind of seemed like they were soaked in water. They feel kind of squishy
They're
and
moist.
soggy. Moist.
And the first bite almost tastes like a little bit of lavender.
See, but for me, oh, you're gonna go ahead and eat another one, huh? Oh yeah. Here's a close-up on it. In a standardized muffin form.
It's pretty good. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next episode.